Imagine a tree so nutrient-rich that it can meet all your health needs. Meet the Moringa tree. This humble tree, native to parts of Africa and Asia, is often referred to as the miracle tree, and for good reason. Every part of the Moringa tree, from its leaves to its seeds, is a powerhouse of nutrients that our bodies crave. Let's delve into the nutritional profile of Moringa. It's a treasure trove of vitamins, housing vitamin A, which is essential for healthy vision and immune function, and vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in healing and iron absorption. But it doesn't stop there. It also contains vitamin B6, vital for brain development and function, and vitamin E, which protects our cells from damage. And then there are the minerals. Moringa is a rich source of calcium, necessary for strong bones and teeth, and iron, which is essential for the production of red blood cells. Additionally, it offers potassium, which is key for heart, kidneys, and other organs' smooth functioning, and magnesium, crucial for over 300 biochemical reactions in our bodies. Now, let's not forget about the antioxidants. Moringa is packed with these little warriors that fight against cell damage. They help us combat oxidative stress, a major contributor to chronic diseases like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. But what does this mean for you? Well, incorporating Moringa into your diet can lead to several health benefits. It can improve your digestion thanks to its high fiber content. It can strengthen your immune system, courtesy of its vitamin C and other essential nutrients. And if you're looking for an energy boost, Moringa has got you covered. Its leaves have been shown to have an invigorating effect, helping you stay alert and energetic throughout the day. Now that you know how Moringa can boost your health, let's move on to its beauty benefits. The Moringa tree isn't just a powerhouse of nutrients, it's also a secret weapon in beauty care. So let's dive in and explore how this remarkable plant can enhance our beauty regimen. This humble tree, often referred to as the miracle tree, is a key ingredient in a variety of beauty products. From creams to oils, face masks, and even shampoos, Moringa is making a name for itself in the world of beauty and skincare. But why is that? One of the main reasons is Moringa's incredible hydrating power. The plant is packed with a substance called hyaluronic acid, which is known for its ability to retain moisture. This means that products infused with Moringa can help keep your skin hydrated and supple, giving you that fresh, youthful glow. But the benefits of Moringa don't stop at hydration. The plant is rich in antioxidants, which can help combat the signs of aging. These antioxidants work by neutralizing harmful free radicals in your skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. So, if you're looking for a natural way to keep your skin looking its best, Moringa could be just the ticket. Now, let's hear from some individuals who have experienced these benefits firsthand. One user shares how, after using a Moringa-infused face cream for just a few weeks, she noticed a significant reduction in her fine lines. Another praises the plant's hydrating power, explaining how a Moringa body lotion has helped her combat dry skin, especially during the colder months. But perhaps the most impressive thing about Moringa is its versatility. Whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin, Moringa can provide the nutrients your skin needs to look and feel its best. It truly is a one-size-fits-all solution for skincare. With all these beauty benefits, it's no wonder that Moringa is a must-have in your skincare routine. So why not give it a try? You might just discover your new beauty secret weapon. Incorporating Moringa into your daily routine can be a game-changer for your health and beauty. Imagine waking up each day feeling invigorated and refreshed, all thanks to this humble plant. You see, Moringa is not just a plant, it's a source of life, a beacon of health, and a wellspring of beauty. Now, you might be wondering how to introduce this miracle worker into your life. Well, it's simpler than you might think. Start your day with a nourishing Moringa smoothie packed with vitamins and minerals that will kickstart your day. Or why not pamper your skin with a luxurious Moringa face mask or moisturize with Moringa-infused creams and oils? You'll feel the difference as your skin drinks in the hydration and your fine lines and wrinkles start to fade away. Experience the power of Moringa for yourself. Why not start today?